Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Aku Makan channel official. And today, I'm presentation the Prophet Hijrah. Okay, the Prophet Hijrah. Makkah to Madinah. The migration of the Prophet Muhammad from Makkah to Yathrib, estimate in June 60 6022, become an important milestone in Islamic history. During this migration, the Prophet and his beloved friends Abu Bakr as-Siddiq traveled hundreds of kilometers, including surviving 3 days in the cave of Thur, to a place that would later change its name to Medina. Leaders leading up to the Hijrah, Muhammad lost his beloved wife, Khadijah, followed by the death of his uncle and protector, Abu Talib. The Medians were more and more open in attacking the Prophet. Meanwhile, in Yathrib, the once dominant tribe, the Bani Qailah, split into two hostile factions, the Aus and the Khazraj. They had just experienced the Battle of Buat, the fourth-largest civil war and conflict, which claimed for victims. In the summer of 60,020, 6 people from the Khazraj tribe come to Makkah for pilgrimage. They are temporarily living in Aqabah. It was there that these people meet Muhammad. The Prophet did not know them, but these people had heard about him, and this Prophet when the Prophet delivered teachings, they immediately achieved. Martin links in Muhammad's story, a story of the Prophet based on classical source. What is people from Khazraj tribe sites? We have leftover people because they were torn apart by belief and enmity. If Allah unites them because of you, then no one is more noble than you. The enrichment experienced by the 6 people became the beginning of change. The following summer, 60,021, there were 12 people from Yathrib who returned to Aqabah, including 2 from the Aus tribe. They then pledged allegiance to the Prophet, known as the First Allegiance of Aqabah. In response, the Prophet sent Musabi Umar to Yathrib to teach these people how to pray and recite the Quran. The simple teaching of Islam are attacking more and people. In 6022 in Aqabah, there was a delegation of 73 men and 2 women. Under the light of the moon, the second Bait Aqabah took place. The move of Yathrib was just a matter of time. That summer of 60,022, the Muslims of Mecca secretly began to migrate to Yathrib, individually or in small groups. Gradually, what remained was the household of the Prophet and Abu Bakr. The Medians planned and Muhammad left as soon as possible. They began to worry about the new power of Islam. being formed in a trip. A plan was drawn up, each trip put forward an armed young man. The goal was to kill Prophet together. In that way, Banu Abdul Manaf could not fight all the tribes in revenge. Moreover, the ransom of blood spilled in that night's ambush would be shared. The afternoon before the ambush, the Prophet had received instruction from Jibril. It was time to migrate. He immediately went to Abu Bakr and made plans for his departure. Meanwhile, Ali bin Abi Thalib was asked by the Prophet to stay in Mecca to look after the things that were entrusted to him at home. Yunus Wahir, tasked with killing the Prophet, had been on guard until the night when a woman voice in Prophet's house, Sauda, Kulsum, Fatima, and Ayman. The knock again. These people don't want to embrace themselves by flatting the sanctity of an Arab house. In nothing since someone wearing the Prophet's green blank broke from hard mouth. The youths chose to wait. The situation took a turn for house when they come, and they realized that the person wearing the blank was not Muhammad, but Ali, Muhammad, and Abu Bakr had already emerged from Mecca on the night of the ambush, slipping out of their sight. Okay. The story of the Prophet Muhammad, the story of Abraha, and story from Abraham, a prophet, and was not general. Okay. Uh, the story of the birth of the Prophet Muhammad, the story of Abraha, and the year of the 11th Prophet and Abu Bakr did choose a road and time that was like a trip in general. They did not rush straight to Yathrib, but headed south towards the cove on Mansur. Amir bin Fuhaya, the step of Abu Bakr, ships followed them from behind with his heart to cover the trail. The Prophet and Abu Bakr passed 3 days in cave. During that time, the help of the sons and daughters of Abu Bakr, Abdullah and Asma, they also received information that the Meccans offered a reward of 100 camels to anyone who could find Muhammad and bring him back. Beyond spies and bounty hunters continued their search, but the prophet was nowhere to be found. There are at last three common miracles that are narrated during these 3 days, namely the presence of a spider webs in front of its bounty hunters, the lighting of pigeons, growths free that discuss the peace of the prophet with his friend. Homer, the most touching thing was when Abu Bakr was restless. Then the prophet said, Abu Bakr, if you think then we're alone and there is a third God. After 3 days passed, was the prophet and Abu Bakr come of the cave. Amir bin Fuhaya broke the guilt along with 3 camels about Abu Bakr. Namely is major strength in Muhammad's short biography. A beautiful story of story and struggle, writes to uh, trick the search party monitoring from Mecca to Medina. The Prophet and Abu Bakar read comes beside direction. They like they like wrote you for the first match shows until they reach the source of the Red Sea. Yazrib is indeed north of Mecca, but this the most likely route for the safety of the Prophet and Abu Bakar. Only then did they move. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Uh, Thanks and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.